Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and install your new food app, in my case Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and select Home button. Now you need to access device's settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. After that, click on Advanced, choose the food apps and click on one of those options. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, tap on Opera to set it up and click on the back button. As you can see, after that my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!